Hey guys, Matthew Freedom here. Just another little home inspection and home maintenance tip. So every spring and fall, you're going to probably have to do a couple of things. One of those is adjusting your adjustable threshold. So this is an adjustable threshold right here. So they'll be covered by a cap, as you can see. I just left that one on, but there's a couple more, typically 4 of them, 3 to 4. All you got to do is come in here, kind of wedge underneath there, and you can pop this cap off. Alright, so that's going to expose either a flat head screw or a Phillips. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're going to loosen up because it's winter time. So just a little bit of an adjustment. Give it an equal turn or equal amount of turns on each screw. Raise that threshold up. What that's going to do is keep it the door sweep tight to the door jamb, and any water that may be getting in underneath that door will also be prevented from getting in. So you see light coming in underneath your door, you probably need to adjust your door threshold. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.